Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to start automatic mop drying on your DREAME X30 Ultra. You can do that by tapping on Dock Task. Once your robot is in the dock, then select Dry and it will begin to dry the mops. You can change those settings on when it is done automatically without your user input by going to Dock Settings right here, then Dry, and enable the dry after washing, which means after each washing of the mop, it will automatically dry, and that drying can be set to 2, 3, or 4 hours, depending on how humid your atmosphere is. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.